It's kind of warm. Dude, how long has it been?
Like, I haven't gone in like years already.
Like 2 years?
Yeah.
Once I get you back in shape, we're gonna do the trip of the rocks. I need someone that's crazy to go with me. Wasn't a mountain lion, right? It didn't sound like a, it was like a whoa. You brought your knife?
No.
I didn't bring a knife either. Well, it is, you know, the hunting hour. They're out hunting. It's like 7 a.m., you know? Bright indeed. They're gonna be like, I want that ese morenito. I don't know where the bear went. Like, oh man. You doing okay, soldier? Like you're like, we're gonna come back up? Just follow the footprints, I guess.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh, this is gonna suck coming up. All for the sake of adventure. You hear all the bees? If one of us dies, at least one of us could go back, right? Shit. We can't find the meetup. We're gonna have to come back up this way. This is fun. I thought this was easy, Andy. My bad. We're gonna sprint this shit back up, alright? We have enough water. Don't worry. Well, if we ever run into a Sasquatch, dude, it would be fucking here. Yeah. Look how that tree snapped.
Oh, what a trip, huh?
Yeah. I've never seen that before.
That tree's like so strong it didn't even knock it down.
Didn't budge. It was like, fuck you, tree.
He was like, the tree's kind of pushed. The only part we're really gonna have to hike up is right here, fool.
Yeah, this. Just don't fall. Like that one time in Malibu, you almost died. That was cute. Are you trying to climb it?
No, it's trying to out through water.
No shit.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. So stay away from downwind and circle them to avoid bears. I know you're turning around a lot, but I'm not. I'm just looking like, and I'm laughing. It's like, holy shit.
Yeah, that shit's like...
That's bonkers. Coming up on the Pacific Crest Trail. Down from Winston Peak, going to Winston Ridge. Are we gonna go straight up the ridge line or follow this trail?
It looks like there's a trail right there.
Let's check it out. You know the crazy part is, dude? Sometimes I do stuff like this by myself. Winston Ridge. Coming down from Winston Peak. What's it say? AC 100. No. Sir, left. To Winston Ridge. I mean, it looks pretty intimidating. Look at that shit. Well, now I know the easy way is just to go to the Pacific Crest Trail. Oh, dude, there's a trail that comes down from that way.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Damn. This is mean off-roading. Cross country here. Going the right way? Oh, shit.
You know what kind of hike I like about?
Which one? Oh, Devil's Chair?
Yeah, where we decided to go on the rock. That was awesome.
I was like, are you sure you can go down that way?
I remember when we got back to after the car we were drinking that hot ass water.
Oh.
I was like, fuck, I hate hot water.
I was like, oh, it tasted like we were drinking boiling water, dude.
We stopped at a McDonald's because we were like, fuck this.
That was the best McDonald's
I was
it's
like,
ever tasted.
I'm fucking hungry and I'm thirsty, dog.
Oh
I
man.
need something to fucking eat right now. And then you're fucking bitch ass and then you drive back.
Dude, I was falling asleep. I was like, dude, I'm gonna kill this if I keep driving.
Whole way.
I pulled over the freeway. I was like, you're driving, dude. I'm falling asleep. Oh, they're from the Coachella Valley. You picked a great place to have a snack. No shade.
Right there. Let's go right there.
Where?
Right there.
Why are we gonna climb over there? This is the tree right there.
Yeah, but there's no fucking rocks to sit on.
Ah, there's a little rock right there. You could have it, princess. But will we take the Pacific Crest Trail back? Because I'm not going back up that other way. No way. Nah, not one bit. It's getting toasty here. Oh, this is the easy peasy mode, dude.
Yep.
There's your rock, dude. On the way back.
Which one?
Because when you were like, oh, it's kind of a rock.
Oh.
You can't see the desert. Oh man. Para que no digas I don't take you anywhere pretty. Wasn't he Inspector Gadget or Professor Gadget? Inspector Gadget, that's what we're talking about. Fucking Inspector Gadget in the mountains. Well, we're continuing on the Pacific Crest Trail. Now going up Winston Peak. See the highway?
That's over there?
Yeah.
So you still gotta go up?
Yeah.